Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, hope you are all right. I am also all right by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today we are going to study English for today, Unit 1, Lesson 4. What do you see? We see a library full of books. Some people are working with computers. You know, a library is the greatest facility to increase knowledge. In a modern library, well equipments are decorated. Amenities of life are available there. Some people are working with computers, they are browsing internet and they are serving their purposes. In a modern library, there are other facilities. People go to the library, browse internet, upload or download anything they like. Without library, a modern civilization cannot run. To run a modern civilization, library is a compulsory to everyone. Now go to the lesson today. Page number 4, Unit 1. Shima and Tamal are in the Town Hall Language Club. They come to the club to practice speaking English. They listen to CDs and watch DVDs in English or speak English with friends. Today there is a new person in the club. He is a young man. He is reading a book about Bangladesh. Shima, look Tamal, who's that gentleman? Do you know him? Tamal, yes, that's Andy Smith. He is working with an NGO here. I met him yesterday at the bookshop. Shima, maybe we can practice our English with him. Good idea. I will introduce you to him. Come with me. Students, you have to develop your reading skill. Without reading skill, you cannot improve your English. You should read a text with correct pronunciation so that you have to study more and more. You have to read more and more. You have to learn dictionary. You have to learn new words. All right. Let us go to the next. Now, new words for correct pronunciation and meaning. We see some new words in the lesson. The words you have to know for better pronunciation and at the same time the meaning of the words. Town. You know, town means in Bangla means shohor. Watch. Watch. Lokho kara. Watch also means look. I am wearing a watch. ওয়াচ মানে ঘড়ি, ওয়াচ মানে লক্ষ্য করা। ইয়েস্টারডে গতকাল, ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ ভাষা, ফ্রেন্ডস বন্ধুবান্ধব, অ্যান্ডি স্মিথ একজন বিদেশির নাম, ক্লাব, টুডে আজ, বুকশপ বইয়ের দোকান, প্র্যাকটিস অনুশীলন করা, দেয়ার এটা একটা সূচনাকারী শব্দ। বাংলা মানে হচ্ছে সেখানে, কিন্তু কোনো সেন্টেন্স শুরু করার সময় এই দেয়ার শব্দটা ব্যবহার করা হয়। মেবি হয়তো, স্পিকিং কথা বলা, পার্সন ব্যক্তি, আইডিয়া ধারণা, ইংলিশ ইংরেজি ভাষা, ইয়াং শিশু যুবক বা অল্প বয়স্ক, নবীন, ইন্ট্রোডিউস পরিচিত হওয়া বা করা, লিসেন মনোযোগ দিয়ে শোনা, অ্যাবাউট প্রায় সম্পর্কে, উইথ দ্বারা দিয়ে সঙ্গে। আমাদের এগুলো জানতে হবে, মানে জানতে হবে এবং সঠিক উচ্চারণ শিখতে হবে। এখন নাও উই আর গোয়িং টু লার্ন দি নিউ ওয়ার্ডস উইথ দেয়ার সিমিলার মিনিং। ইট ইজ ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট টু প্র্যাকটিস ফর লার্নিং বেটার ইংলিশ। এগুলো আমাদের জানা খুবই দরকার। টাউন, a place. Town, a place where facilities are available more than the village. Language, the means to communicate with others. Club, generally a place where people go to practice dance, song or language. Practice, to exercise repeatedly. Speaking, vocal communication using language. English, the most dominating international language. Listen, to pay full attention. Watch, the act of seeing, a kind of timepiece. Look, I am wearing a watch. Friends, persons with whom one has deep bond. Today, this day, there, an introductory word. There is an introductory word. It is also an adverb used to draw someone's attention. Person, a human being regarded as an individual. More similar words to learn. Young, not very older. About, regarding to someone or something, most likely to be. Yesterday, the previous day. Andy Smith, the name of a foreigner. Bookshop, a shop that sells books. Maybe, a mere possibility or probability. Idea, a conception of someone or something. Introduce, make someone known by name, etc. With, accompanied by. Now we are going to learn some abbreviated forms with their full forms. CD is for compact disc, DVD, digital versatile disc. Similarly, CPSCS, the name of our school, abbreviated form is CPSCS and the full form is Kent Public School and College Saidpur. Now we have to learn contracted form and their full form. Whose is for who is or who has. He is for he is or he has. That's for that is or that has. I shall or I will. Not we think that I'll means I will. It is not fully correct. I'll means I shall or I will. My dear students, let us learn some questions and their answers. Questions. Number 1. Where are Shima and Tamal? Where are Shima and Tamal? Answer. Shima and Tamal are at the Town Hall Language Club. Why do they go there? They go there to practice speak English. Who is the new person there? Andy Smith is the new person there. What is he reading? He is reading a book about Bangladesh. Where did Tamal meet the new person? Tamal met the new person at the bookshop. Why does Shima want to meet the new person? Shima wants to meet the new person to practice speaking English with him. You have to practice any lesson like today's lesson. You have to repeat more and more, exercise more and more. If you practice reading more and more, hope you will be able to learn speaking with other persons with confidence. Thank you very much. Now homework. Your homework is meaning in English of the new words given in this slide. Thank you very much. See you.